Gumbo doesn't always include shrimp. Our version pairs shredded chicken thighs with slices of garlicky andouille sausage. To start, adjust your oven rack to the middle position and heat the oven to 425 degrees. Place 1 cup of all-purpose flour in a 12-inch skillet. Transfer the flour to the oven and bake, stirring occasionally until it is the color of ground cinnamon, 40 to 55 minutes. As the flour approaches the desired color, it will take on a very nutty aroma that will smell faintly of burnt popcorn, and it will need to be stirred more frequently. Transfer the flour to a medium bowl and let it cool. The toasted flour can be stored in an airtight container in a cool, dark place for up to 6 months. Heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a Dutch oven over medium heat until shimmering. Add 1 finely chopped onion, 1 finely chopped green bell pepper, and 2 finely chopped celery ribs, and cook, stirring frequently until softened, 5 to 7 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of minced fresh thyme, 3 minced garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 2 bay leaves, a half teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and stir until combined. Cook until fragrant, about 1 minute. Add 2 cups of room temperature chicken broth and stir until combined. Add 2 pounds of trimmed boneless, skinless chicken thighs in a single layer. The chicken will not be completely submerged in the liquid. Bring to a simmer. Reduce the heat to medium-low. Cover and simmer until the chicken is fork tender, 15 to 17 minutes. Transfer the chicken to a plate. Slowly whisk 2 cups of room temperature chicken broth in small increments into the toasted flour until a thick, smooth, batter-like paste forms. Be sure to whisk the broth into the flour in small increments to prevent lumps from forming. Increase the heat to medium and slowly whisk the paste into the gumbo, making sure each addition is incorporated before adding the next. Stir in 8 ounces of andouille sausage, halved and sliced 1/4 inch thick. We strongly recommend using andouille, but in a pinch, you can substitute kielbasa if desired. Simmer uncovered until the gumbo thickens slightly, 20 to 25 minutes. Once cool enough to handle, shred the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Add the chicken and 6 thinly sliced scallions into the gumbo and stir until combined. Remove the pot from the heat. Add 1 teaspoon of distilled white vinegar and stir until combined. Season with salt to taste. Discard the bay leaves. Serve over white rice, passing hot sauce separately. The gumbo can be refrigerated in an airtight container for up to 3 days.